I'm making a really easy Greek appetizer here with Kalamata olives, sliced oranges, a little oregano, and olive oil. And it's something that has a million different uses in the kitchen. I'm just gonna get started here by sautéing my Kalamata olives with a little bit of olive oil. I'm also gonna make this a topping for some bread, so I'm gonna toast my bread, also in a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna warm the Kalamata olives. Olives are the ultimate Greek snack food, right? They're always on the table. Just warming them up in a frying pan liberates all of their oils and all of their fragrances and gives them a whole other dimension. I'm adding a little bit of garlic to this. Grill my bread. Add a little bit of orange to this. And that's a very natural pairing. In fact, you often see Kalamata olives in a jar with a little bit of an orange slice or a piece of orange zest. So this is pretty much done. I just want to check my bread. Almost there. Just a couple more minutes. And I'm just going to put the finishing touch on the olives, which is a little bit of Greek oregano. This is really simple, but really versatile. I love to serve it with a piece of grilled chicken or a piece of grilled fish. You know this dish is done not so much by sight, but by aroma. You want that heat to just liberate all those wonderful oils in the olives. That's where all the flavor is. And I am ready to serve this. Greeks are bread lovers. And there's this wonderful saying in Greek, psomi ke elea, which means bread and olives. And that basically means if you have those two things, you can survive anything. A little drizzling of extra virgin Greek olive oil. This comes not too far from where these olives were cultivated, outside of Sparta. And voila, an instant, ancient Greek meze. I have to taste this. It smells great. I just got a mouthful of olive juice and orange juice. This dish is packed with flavor. The olives are really meaty, but also salty, and the oranges have that fruitiness and that sort of lightness. They play off that saltiness. They're very refreshing. And that bread, which, you know, grilled with olive oil, hits a total primal note and need. It's very simple, but very elegant.